In this video, we're going to look at the new Unity Smart Case for WA11 Topaz headphone amplifier and DAC. Let's take a quick tour around the case. It is made from 3D printed nylon material. The case is very strong and durable and will not scratch your devices. Here we have a belt loop. This is an optional way to wear the WA11 on your belt. There is also a kickstand. The kickstand has two positions. When your device is installed, you can also use it in landscape mode. When you receive your Unity Smart Case, there are a few components in the box. The bottom cover for the Smart Case, a short USB-C to USB-C cable, and a custom case for your cell phone. This custom case has a mounting bracket here that will slide into the Unity Smart Case, and we will look at that closely. Here we have a Samsung A8 smartphone. This is a relatively affordable smartphone with optional micro SD card slot for expanding storage. We also recommend the Samsung A50, which can be purchased as a package with your WA11 and Unity Smart Case. When you install the two together, simply line up the backing on the back of the smartphone case to the Unity Smart Case and simply slide down to snap into place. Now the smartphone will not come off, and you can freely use the smartphone with one hand or both hands. Next, we'll install the WA11 Topaz into the Smart Case. As you can see, the Smart Case is in the same shape as WA11. On the bottom of the Smart Case, simply slide your WA11 into the case. It's going to feel like there's some friction, which is okay. The Smart Case is made of nylon material and will not scratch your WA11. Once in place, everything should line up. The power button, the volume knob, and the back should be securely in place. On the bottom are your switches where you can change the settings of your WA11. Now the locking mechanism slides into the Smart Case. Next, the USB-C cable. There are protective caps. You want to remove these. Now you can turn on your WA11. You are now ready to enjoy your favorite music, either via the streaming music services or the music that's stored on your mobile device. And if you want to watch something on YouTube, turn your WA11 Unity Smart Case in landscape mode.